Welcome to Lakeway Estates, an exclusive gated community that feels like an absolute oasis just minutes from town. This one's for the buyer that wants a custom home that checks all the boxes and has all the toys. Let's go check it out.